gonna drop some dirty clothes over there. It's gonna get your haircut, and I'm gonna be vlogging.
We were talking about jiu-jitsu just a second ago. We were talking about the ability when somebody has a deficiency or a handicap, like our friend that we just left, Sam. He has really good arm bars, and he armbarred. How many times did he armbar you, Achilles?
Twice.
Huh?
Twice.
Achilles rarely gets armbarred. He's got good flexible arms, got good mobility, he knows how to escape them. And, Sam has one hand, and he was able to armbar Achilles twice. And I was explaining to Fafa how what makes Sam's armbar work really well is his ability to squeeze his legs. Pinches his thighs, not his knees, really well, and keeps the arm isolated. And I also saw Mika Galvon doing that this weekend, and it just brought that to my attention, that how important that is, and that isn't done enough. And try to do that myself in the next couple sessions I get. See if I can squeeze some arm bars out. All right, time for a haircut.
Come sit around here if you like, guys.
Okay. Thank you.
We came from Kendall, but we were in...
Deixa eu ver. Ó, cortado o cabelo, gente. O que vocês acharam do corte? Vira aí.
Tá em português de novo? Voltou o vlog, voltou pro português?
Falo mais português que inglês.
Mike is driving. Mike has got a gym here in Manchester, a Gracie affiliate, and this weekend we're gonna do this week here we're gonna do a 3-day seminar, basically like we've been doing on most of the trips. And Mike, tell us a little bit more about where we are, your school.
Yeah, we're a little posh town in Manchester, Salford. Just sort of heading over to the gym now. Maybe get the guys to have a workout, and then seminars at 7:30 tonight.
What's the attendance gonna be like today? Good group of guys?
Yeah, I think there's around about 40-50 people, I think.
Wow, that's awesome. Oh, by the way, we're in a Tesla in the UK, and yeah, he's driving on the right side of the road, if you haven't noticed. So, or he's driving on the right side of the car. And,
driving. You wanna drive?
You've already offered twice. I'm probably gonna do it by the 3rd time you offer. Might as well, right? When do you think I'll ever do this again? I mean, the last time I drove a right-handed car, I almost crashed, right, Fa?
Yeah.
That's alright.
But it was stick, and I think it wasn't because it was right-handed. I think it was because where we were in Ireland, and it was like the road was weird. Remember, it was like a wall, right? Fa? It was like a narrow road, huh?
Bumpy, narrow.
Yeah.
Curvy.
We were in like our friend's farm, and he's like, "Yeah, go drive," and then I was like, "All right."
And it was a stick.
Yeah, this makes it even harder.
No, I mean, I know how to drive stick. It's just...
With your left hand?
Yeah, I know how to drive.
All you do is just make sure you stay on the side of the road where the cars are not coming towards you.
It was this perception of the left side, that I almost hit something on the left side of the car, and
yeah, it's weird.
yeah,
It's so weird.
I didn't hit anything, but I don't know if it was because he grabbed the wheel and pulled it, or because I kind of was.
Truthfully, I keep forgetting. Like every time I see a car coming the other way, I'm like, oh,
yeah, no, you
it's
just
coming.
yeah.
And I'm like, oh no.
So just follow this one, or then stay away from that one. You'll be alright.
All right, and this year, pretty soon we'll be at the gym. We'll get some workouts there, and we'll restart.
Alright, so we came to this gym, and we're gonna get a quick workout in before heading to the seminar. There they are. You guys have a plan?
Yeah.
I'm inside the women's locker room at the gym. Just went to the sauna, went to the pool, getting ready, gonna get something to eat. Then we're gonna go, Vagner's gonna teach his first seminar here in Manchester.
Mixture. Plan is to kind of show you guys how to put pressure on somebody when you're rolling, whether you're on bottom or you're on top. Learning out why and how you put pressure.
Hello guys, right now we're the first seminar in Manchester, day 1. Yep, that's what's happening right now. I don't know when we'll be back, but we'll be back.
Jasmine, tell them what you just said.
Hey Jasmine, I was just saying to your dad there that maybe people know your name now, huh?
Yeah. We finished day 1. We're gonna go get some food, right?
Yeah.
Where we going, Michael? Tell us.
Then Brazil.
We're going to Brazil. We're in the UK, but we're going to Brazil. I'm down. I love Brazilian food. You didn't tell me twice.
Qual o nome desse restaurante, Aquiles? Você não viu?
Capri?
Não, Bem Brasil. O nome é Bem Brasil.
Bem Brasil.
Alright. You got the guy on his knees. What happens when he goes up, you know?
Are we doing? He used to play for Man United now. So that is Brazilian.
I bet nobody guesses who this is.
Yeah, that's Habib.
Oh my God! Is this who I think it is?
Nobody guesses who that is.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Yeah, okay.
No,
It is! Alright.
Okay, I know this one too. I can't remember the words right now. But as soon as it starts, I'll remember. Thank you, my brother.